Hi, Shobe! Happy 18th birthday, Raymond! Ano masasabi ko sa'yo? Well, sa ating dalawa, mas mukhang mas matanda ka sa akin. Yun yung laging sinasabi ng maraming mga tao. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Siguro kasi mas maporma ka and mas modern kaysa sa akin. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo is from The Alchemist. Sabi nga, when you really want something, all universe will conspire with you to get it. So, kung ano man yung pangarap mo, go ka lang ng go dahil buong universe magko-conspire kasama mo. Yun lang. Bye-bye!
Birthday
Happy
po!
birthday, King King! Ang message namin for King King, may you have more birthdays to come. And we wish you happiness and success. Message ko kay King King, sana pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo. Sana makatapos ka. And gawin mo ang Panginoon na inspiration sa lahat na.
Okay, hello King! Happy birthday! Wini-wish ko sana dito ka na lang mag-birthday sa Canada para may experience mo naman ng snow. So, how I wish that your birthday is going to be a happy one. Okay, King? Yun lang.
Happy birthday, King King. May you have many more birthdays to come. I wish you to concentrate in your studies and above all, never forget God first. Then, King, we are always caring for you. May God bless you.
King, happy birthday. Parang kahapon lang, King, na maliit ka pa and then ngayon, 18 years old ka na. And your dad and I are very proud of you because you have grown to be a beautiful and talented woman or lady. So, ang ma-advise lang ko lang sa iyo ay you have to put God first in your life so that He will bless you. And may you have happiness and success in your life. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, baby Kim. Happy 18th birthday. January 19, 1990 was the day when we received one of our precious gifts from God. That was the day when you were born. Today, you turn to be a very wonderful lady. Your mom and I would like to tell you once again that we love you and we are very proud of you. Remember, we are always here to love and guide you. We wish you all the best in life. God bless. We love you, baby Kim.
Happy birthday, Dora! Happy birthday, Dora! Happy birthday, Kay! Gawin daw! Gawin daw!
Cake. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.